Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we are in Atlantic City on the Atlantic City Boardwalk, the iconic boardwalk here in Atlantic City. We're going to check out the Ocean Resort and Casino. More specifically, we're going to do a room tour as well as a pool tour here at the Ocean. This particular video doesn't go in depth as far as the hotel and casino downstairs. There is a short walkthrough. If you want to see a longer, detailed walkthrough of the Ocean Resort and Casino, check out other videos on this channel. I think I did several on the ocean, and I have a new one coming out shortly, but this one deals more or less specifically with the room and pool. Now, I think I made it pretty clear on this channel that I really like this place. It's one of my favorite new places here in Atlantic City. I've never stayed here, however. I generally don't stay at the hotels and casinos on the boardwalk. I usually stay at the Borgata because I get comped. This room at the Ocean was not comped, but I will tell you, I think it ran me under $100. That's including the room, the resort fee, the taxes, everything. It was close to $100 or a little bit under $100. So it was a cheap vacation, a cheap night out. I was here for the Trump Plaza implosion. I stayed at the Borgata the night before. I'm staying here tonight, and I just wanted to show you guys around the room and the pool and show you what this place is like. So come on, let's check in so we can check it out. Now, the hotel lobby and registration area is on the 11th floor, so to get from the boardwalk to the 11th floor, you need to take a few escalators. I'm sure there's elevators around here somewhere, but everyone takes these escalators. And you might be thinking to yourself, hey, Jeff from New York, I gotta get on and off 11 freaking escalators? No, you actually only have to get on and off 3. They're very long escalators, and they will take you to the 11th floor. Hold on tight. No, I really mean it. Hold on tight. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Every time I'm here, I go for this shot, and I have to be quite honest with you, it gives me a little bit of vertigo and a lot of butterflies in my big old stomach. So here we are, the 11th floor. On the left-hand side, we have the Sky Cafe, known for its cocktails overlooking the ocean and the boardwalk. And right past that on the left is Harper's, which is a destination place to go if you enjoy brunches. It's a bistro with a location and views of the skyline and gardens. On the right, we have a outdoor area which is pretty much open all year round. They have fire pits throughout the walkways outside. You can look at the boardwalk and the ocean and just walk along the pathways they have out here. Very pretty. And again, all this is covered in more detail in the hotel and casino walkthrough. Again, this is just a room and pool walkthrough. And this is where I checked in, and just like the Borgata, they asked me if I wanted a low, middle, or high floor. You just don't get asked that question in Vegas casinos and hotels, where you pretty much have to either gamble or buy yourself to a better, higher room. It should also be noted that I got here at 7 a.m. because I wanted to be at that Trump Plaza implosion at 9 a.m. and I was going to walk there. Check that video out here on this channel. So I explained to the person behind the desk that I know I'm very early. I just want to check in my bags, and if you guys could text me when my room is ready, I would appreciate it. The person behind the desk informed me that if I would be okay with the middle floor, I could check in right away, which again in Vegas would cost a couple of Andrew Jacksons. As a vlogger, I love early check-ins and late checkouts because it affords me more time to make more videos. My room number is 2110, and considering this place is 47 stories high, that pretty much does place me in the middle of the pack. And all the even-numbered rooms are on the right-hand side of this hallway, which means my view will be of all the hotels and casinos along the Atlantic City Boardwalk, as well as the Steel Pier. If my room were on the left-hand side, it would have a view of the ocean as well as the Brigantine Bay. As a matter of fact, I would say 90% of these rooms in this hotel have a view of the ocean one way or the other. And here we are, 2110 at the Ocean Resort and Casino. Welcome to my room. And now I sound like Bill Cosby. And by now you guys know how I do room tours. I don't say this is the toilet, this is the safe, this is the closet, these are the drawers, this is the refrigerator. I just play some music and show you guys around. So here we go. By the way, the laptop, wine, and cheese and crackers didn't come with the room, and I hate paper cups. Okay, down to the 5th floor for pool and spa.
Pool and spa.
I just said that. Hello, redundancy. So here we are at the pool and spa, and I gotta tell you guys, I was a little disappointed with the room. I had a great view, and I really loved this hotel and casino. But the room itself was, could have been a little bit cleaner. The walls are paper thin as well as the door, so you hear everything in the hallway as well as your neighbors. Pretty new building, it shouldn't be like that. We just passed a COVID sign that said the pool is at its maximum capacity right now, and in walks me and a dozen other people. Right now we're looking at the Eclipse Pool, which is a indoor-outdoor year-round pool here at the Ocean Resort and Casino. You can swim inside, as you see lots of people are doing, and if you swim through those little glass doors on both sides of the pool, you'll be outside, which some people are doing even though it's 40 or 30 degrees outside right now. So I wasn't overly impressed with the room here at the Ocean. I really do like the hotel and casino. I like visiting it. But as far as staying overnight, I still like the Borgata. And what do they say? Don't bite the hand that feeds you. I can usually get a room at the Borgata for just the resort fee. I'll continue to visit the ocean, the Tropicana, and the Hard Rock, my favorite places on the boardwalk here, but I'll stay and gamble at the Borgata, an MGM property. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.